I'm Amanda from Best Buy, and this is the lab. I'm here to talk to you about something really cool. It's the Samsung Stackable Smart Washer and Dryer. You can stack the units, or you can have them side by side. Through Samsung's Auto Cycle link, your washer becomes the boss. It tells the dryer what to do. So whatever cycle you select in your washer, the corresponding cycle will be selected for the dryer. Two machines working as one. It's kind of a tandem approach to laundry. So you're probably wondering how this works together. It's because they talk to each other through the Samsung SmartThings app. It's like double teaming your laundry. Yeah, like a team. It uses AI power to learn your favorite wash cycles and displays them first. Your dryer's gonna do the same thing with the AI-powered Smart Dial. This is cool, totally. In addition to the SmartThings app, you can get the multi-control kit and be able to control the dryer with the washer at fingertip level. Got questions? We've got answers. Thanks for stopping by the lab.
You mean they weren't really twins?